Namaskar and good evening. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all the esteemed guests, parents, teachers, members of the management, staff, students, and the entire virtual audience on the 6th annual Founders Day of St. Anandram Jaipuria School, Lucknow. It's an honor for me to welcome Colonel Shekhar, the chief guest of the event. Colonel Shekhar has been in several leadership roles as a soldier and educationist of immense repute. He has had a distinguished career in the armed forces and is now a highly sought after motivational speaker at various conferences. I also take pleasure in welcoming our guest of honor, Ms. Amada Abram, Program Manager at Global Schools Program. She is kind enough to join us from New York. St. Anandram Jaipuria School, Lucknow is a member of the Global Schools Program. At St. Anandram Jaipuria Schools, the motto Tamso Ma Jyotir Gamaya, a profound aphorism derived from Vedanta, emphasizes movement from darkness to light. It conveys the message that the path to enlightenment and wisdom is only through the power and light of knowledge that dispels the darkness of ignorance. Today's Founders Day's theme, Tamso Ma Jyotir Gamaya, reminds us of the darkness of ignorance, fear, illness, and death that engulfed everyone during the pandemic, and now the light of normalcy is beginning to become visible. The tagline of our school logo, Empower, Enthuse, and Excel, strongly suggests our key focus on empowering teachers, students, and staff to excel in all endeavors with unbridled enthusiasm. The underlying message is do not rest on the past laurels and keep striving to achieve more. Our group has been into education for over 75 years, but we also try to continuously innovate and find new ways of learning and teaching so that we can deliver the best to our students. Becoming lifelong learners and change agents is what we envision for our students. It is therefore our endeavor to light the spark, the curiosity, and to inspire the students so that they can achieve their dreams. One resource that served as a lifeline during the darkness in the recent months was technology. It ensured that the students and teachers remained connected, though we were confined to their homes. It also enabled uninterrupted learning and enhancement of technological skills and knowledge. While I do agree that some of the students who have been living in rural areas and remote places were deprived, and that there has been a large learning loss for them. And the challenge would be for all of us to ensure that the learning which has they have been deprived, they come back early and are able to maintain the same pace so that they can pick up what has been lost. COVID-19 has prepared us for the future, and we are fully geared up to deliver lessons in the hybrid mode. I would like to acknowledge the passion and perseverance of the teachers who have made this transition possible from offline to online in a seamless manner. I am happy to say that Lucknow School has always taken the lead in introducing new and exciting digital initiatives that have taken the classroom teaching and learning to a new level. We have built a digital culture for the organization, which is founded on 4 pillars of collaboration, data-driven strategy, customer centricity, and innovation. We also ensure that we actively engage with all the stakeholders. As far as collaboration is concerned, the Lucknow school has collaborated with Microsoft, and I'm happy to say that we are the only Microsoft showcase school in Lucknow for the past 3 consecutive years. More than half its staff are Microsoft Innovative Educators experts. The school is Adobe certified, a Wacklet school, and has recently become a member of the prestigious Global Schools Program. These certifications and memberships have put us in a unique position, connecting us with the best people and schools and practices globally. Very recently, a radio with essential real work skills, design thinking, and socio-emotional learning curriculums add a new dimensions to the children's knowledge. Currently, a much needed health curriculum has also been launched by the group and has been implemented in the Lucknow school. It will help the students to become more aware and make them healthier and make lifestyle changes, which is the requirement of the day. Last year, we also launched STAR, Samarth Teachers Training Academy of Research, to empower the teachers, both of our team as well as from the outside, with new age competencies and the best teaching methodologies. STAR has conducted numerous programs, and I'm happy to say that we have collaborated with the government of UP and have pledged to train 10,000 government teachers of UP schools on the essentials of ICT. Though a young school, both students and teachers are grabbing attention by winning top prizes in all events, whether it is coding, sports, dance, music, or literacy events. The school won the Schools of Eminence Award North Region by Education World, putting it in the league of the top 20 elite schools in the region. With the addition of the new wing that was inaugurated in April 21, the school has one of the best infrastructure conforming to global standards. We would like to acknowledge the trust reposed by the parents and would like to ensure them that the management and the whole academic team, under the guidance of our principal, Poonam Katuchi ji, is tirelessly working to provide personalized learning experience to each child. Lucknow School is poised to become one of the best schools in the city of Lucknow and a preferred option for the discerning parents. The management will not leave any stone to ensure that this school becomes one of the best schools in the country. I would like to thank our chief guest, Colonel Shekhar, and Ms. Amanda Brown for taking out time for being with us here today. I would also like to thank all the parents who continue to be a valued member of our school fraternity and assure them that the vision of our fathers in setting up the Jaipuria group of educational institutions will continue to guide and propel us towards greater excellence. Thank you for the constant support, and we are always with you. Jai Hind.